A journey to discover true wealth. One day, a very wealthy man decided to teach his son a lesson about life. He took him on a trip to a remote rural area where a modest family lived under simple conditions. The goal of the trip was to show the boy how the poor live. They spent a few days and nights at the small farm, sharing the daily life of the humble family and observing their self-sufficient way of living. When the trip ended, and on their way back home, the father wanted to know his son's impressions of the experience. He asked, "How did you find the trip, my son?" The boy replied enthusiastically, "It was amazing, Dad." The father smiled and asked, "Did you see how the poor live?" The son replied, "Yes, I did." The father followed up, "So, tell me, what did you learn from this trip?" The boy took a deep breath and said, "I learned a lot. I saw that we have only one dog, while they have 4 dogs to play with. We have a small pond in our garden, but it doesn't compare to the endless clear streams they have. We have electric lanterns to light up our nights, but they have the stars shining brightly in the sky. We have a tiny yard that ends at high walls, while they have fields stretching far beyond the horizon. We live in a confined space, but they live in a wide-open world. We rely on servants to handle everything for us, but they help each other with love and cooperation. We buy our food from the markets, but they eat what they grow with their own hands. We build high walls to protect ourselves, while they have friends and neighbors who look out for them. In the end, Dad, I realized that we are the ones who live in poverty, not them." When the boy finished speaking, the father fell silent, lost in thought. He realized that the trip he had planned to teach his son a lesson about poverty had, instead, taught him a profound lesson about the meaning of true wealth. Lessons and morals. 1. Contentment is true wealth. Happiness doesn't come from having a lot of money, but from appreciating what we already have and living simply. 2. True riches are in human connections. Friends, family, and a supportive community are far more valuable than material possessions. 3. The beauty of nature is unmatched. The stars in the sky, flowing streams, and open spaces are treasures money can't buy. 4. Self-sufficiency brings fulfillment. Growing your own food and working together creates a sense of pride and accomplishment. 5. Happiness lies not in what we own, but in how we live. Simplicity and cooperation bring more joy than material wealth. 6. True wealth is in the soul. Not everyone with money is rich, and not everyone without it is poor. This story reminds us to rethink our understanding of poverty and wealth, and to seek happiness in the simple blessings surrounding us.
The end. Hope you have enjoyed the reading. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And find more fascinating and exciting stories from the description below the video.